So my name is Amaury. I'm the co-founder of a brand called Circular. We primarily do smart rings. We were pioneered in the market in 2019. We started out of Paris in France. We moved a couple of months ago to Hong Kong. We have many partners here, a great ecosystem, and now we're building out of here. We sell worldwide, and we try always to be at the forefront of innovation. So whether it's electronics or software, we try also to make sense out of complex biometric data so everybody can understand how to use it and really make a dent in the prevention market. So I grew up near Paris, near Saclay, Paris-Saclay. We got incubated first there, actually, at Europe Pavilion at the time. And the idea came exactly from that. Laurent, my other co-founder, had health issues. We used to have Fitbits and Garmins, and we thought that raw data wasn't powerful enough. So we really wanted to help people. The idea came from that. The ring came after. We still believe today that the power relies on the recommendations and what we do with the data rather than the hardware itself. But we were happy to start with the first smart ring. It made sense at the time. Miniaturization of components all over the world. AI also came into play as we grew the company. So as time really went, things got together, and today we're happy to have probably one of the most powerful devices on the market. We have teams a bit scattered around the world. So we have people in France still. We have people in Vietnam, in India, in Hong Kong, in China. Most of the logistics and operations are here in Hong Kong or in China, in South China. So really, most of the hardware part is here. A lot of software and engineering is still in France. But we sell worldwide. So we sell B2C primarily through our website and distributors across the world, mostly US and Europe. But Asia is a huge potential for us market. So we're focusing more and more on the region. So what's next? We were always planning on new versions ahead of time and new software and hardware features. We're releasing new devices pretty soon, but software-wise, we're always trying to do prevention for the people, but also for B2B. So not transitioning fully, but complementing our suite of products on the wellness side with health features. We were first introduced an electrocardiogram in a ring, so AFib detection, blood pressure, and soon other health-related features. We work more and more with clinics and hospitals, so a lot of things are happening. And in the near future, we hope to take the lead on the market. But that's also why we're here, trying to see what's happening. We see people from all around the world gathering here for displaying their own electronic products. And so it's a great place to kind of monitor what's happening on the market, see what's happening, and get ready for the future.
So my name is Ewen. I'm French, based in Shenzhen for the last 2 years. And we have also our own brand of product, which is this product. And we developed this new product this year, which is a self-contained light. So the battery is inside. It's connected with a remote control that you place on your bear. And you can control 2 lights at the same time. That's why you have 2 buttons, one for your helmet and one for your bear. And when you click, you can change the power of the light. And it's also connected to an application, so you can edit the mode to know what is your power consumption, how much time you can run with this strength of light, let's say, and you can reduce the beam and so on. Regarding the beam, you can also remove the optics here, so you can unscrew the 4 screws, right, and to change the optics, so it can be more focused or more wide, depending if you wear this light on your helmet or on your bar. Okay. So this is what we developed. It's called Gloworm, as well as the factory, right? Micro manufacturing, because it's our own factory. So everything started with my CEO when he arrived in China. Then he had some other requests from other people who wanted to manufacture their product in China as well, and so he started to assemble other kind of products. These products are available worldwide on our website, which is gloworm.co.nz, but also available in different countries in the world because we do mostly distribution. For myself, I work at Micro as 2 things, business development manager for micro manufacturing and for Gloworm as well. So I'll also take care about the distribution in Europe. So the product is currently available in Italy, in Germany, Norway, Switzerland, Greece, mostly. We are developing on other countries. Like I'm opening a lot of countries right now. And it's a seasonal product, right? So it depends on the availability. Like if you are in the South Hemisphere right now, we are opening a lot of markets. All these lights are manufactured by ourselves, are developed by ourselves. It's our own product. We have our own website, so you can find them on the website, which is gloworm.co.nz. And Micro is the manufacturer. The manufacturer owns this brand, and both belong to us. Yes, correct.
I'm Anthony, I come from France, and I came to China more than 10 years ago, actually. And I started to work in industrial design first. And then after I joined a company when we were doing industrial design and also manufacturing together. And we start to provide our services to any kind of company who want to make some audio product and electronic products. So I spent the last 10 years for work for big brand in the whole industry from USA, Europe, Japan, Korea. And then a few years ago, I decided to create my own brand because I want to apply my advice I give to other company, what the design, the engineering I make for other company to myself and start to make my own product. So ARKS come first was a challenge. Are we able to build the compromise the actual brand are doing today? So we decided to do something pushing the limits of what the audio industry can do. So we built the world's most powerful speaker on the market today. This is 240 watt RMS. This thing is 4 to 5 times stronger than any speaker on the market in a similar size. And also we offer the world's longer playtime. That means we can play the music the whole weekend when the other people, they just propose maybe 5 or 6 hour playtime. So we come out with this unique specification, but even at that time, we found that's not enough because there is AI all around and this opened new possibility to our product. So we decided to implement some AI chipset inside and we found out that we are able to remastering the sound in real time. That means you take a song made in the 70s, and then we are able to fine-tune the bass and the treble to adjust to what the people like it today. This is what we call the boost by AI. And also, as we can read the sound curve in real time, we can adjust the power consumption of the product according to the sound. So we are able to push the battery over than what people can do, and then double it, triple it, maybe make it 4 times better than the other one. This is what the first level. And then the AI industry is developing very fast. And then we found out that maybe we can make even better. What about the people they want to make their own sound? So we decided to implement a prompt, and by a simple language, the people they can say, okay, I want to find the song more pop, I want to have more bass, I want to eat more warm, by a simple language. And then we adjust the EQ groove in real time. So instead to go with 1,000 parameters, you are capable by simple language to adjust the sound as you like. And then the next step now we are working on is unmix the sound. You say, you just want to hear the voice? No problem. We'll separate all the instruments, the guitar, the bass, the voice, and then you can remix, okay, I want to hear the guitar. Okay, then let's cut the voice, let's cut the drummer, and then you just hear the voice. So now this product is continue to develop, and the one I presented last year was the V1. This is the 1.5, and the one we get all the feature I'm talking about now about the AI, unmixing sound, and adjust the EQ by prompt, will be present in a V2. And this will be launched in the coming months actually, because we already present this to different customers as some kind of beta tester, and we got a lot of feedback, and we found out we can make a better product. So before to go to a global launch, we want to make sure we have the perfect version for this customer today. So this is where
will it be available as a V2 or even that one? Or?
This one could be available, but we prefer to go to maximize our effort on the marketing on the V2 when the one is coming in 2 or 3 months. So at this moment, the brand is, we have one model is going to launch within 2 or 3 weeks, what we call the ARKS Power. Is one model is made for the American market. It's a bigger model with a bigger battery. It's very fit for the American people because they like to live outside, so they want to bring big battery capacity and also big sound all around. And then we'll be followed by this one after all.